Tata Motors produced 327695 cars in 2016. Then 1,08,895 cars in 2017 and 4,05,789 cars in 2018. What was the total number of cars produced in the 3 years altogether? See here, you can very well, what you can do is you can just add this full number, then this full number 10, then this full number 40. All these three numbers you can add and find the answer. But I'll show you that also. Let's do that first. See here, you can do like this number plus this number, then add 5 plus 5 9 plus 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 9 19, then 9 plus 9 18, and whatever you can go on. But that will waste your time. Don't do that. The best way I would suggest is go for only first two numbers. Leave remaining all these numbers. Just first two numbers. What is 32, 10, 40? 32 plus 10 is what is it? 42. 42 plus 40 is 82. Is there any number relating to 8 as a first digit? Yes, it is there. So your answer would be C. So the answer is C.